everyone, it's time for Drop In Craft on Thursday, and today we were making these paper ladybugs out of red paper, black paper. We need some glue sticks and a scissor. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut a circle out of your red construction paper. I did it by hand. You could put a cup on there and trace it and then cut it. And you're going to cut some strips for the body like that. I'm cutting 4 of them. Then we're going to make your face, and what I did was I cut out like a half of a moon, and then I got some antennas and some eyes. So we are going to start making the body. I glued the pieces of construction paper, and I'm actually going to make it a little thinner so it might be easier to stick them on. And this is going to be like a 3D ladybug. I'm going to fold up the ends so I can put it onto the circle. So I'm going to put glue over here, and I'm going to put one end over here and one end over here, and that's the beginning of my body. And then I'm going to go across this way, so it kind of looks like an X now. And then I'm going to put another strip over there and another one over there, so I'm using a total of 4 strips to make my body. Like that. Kind of looks like a little hat. Then I'm going to take my face that I made. I'm going to put some glue on the back of it, and I'm going to stick it on one of my strips like that. Make sure it stays on like this, and when you are done, you have your ladybug. I will see you next week. Bye.